Hi class, welcome back 5th grade. I'm super happy that you are here. Welcome back to the new week. Today, as you can see, I have a different decoration. I told you that I needed to change my Christmas tree because Christmas is gone and we need to keep going. So I feeling like a little bit romantic, like Valentine's Day. We're not even in February, but we're feeling the vibes. So I hope that you like my decoration. So I hope you enjoy it. And we're waiting for Valentine's Day. Today we're going to do different activities. We have so much to do because we need to hurry up. And we're going to start by doing a review about the vocabulary of Unit 5 that it's called vacation time. As you know, or as the name says, in this unit we're learning about vacations. Of course, we're learning vocabulary like items, objects that you can take or you need to take when you travel. And some activities that you can do when camping or traveling. Like I think this unit, more than that, more than vacations in general, this is focused on outdoor vacations, like when you are camping, when you go to the mountains, and this kind of vacations that we don't have, like pretty common here in Mexico or here in Yucatan. But we're going to review about this. Maybe you have forgotten about this. I hope you don't. And it's called, the first one, it's Viking. Viking. Remember to repeat with me, okay? Viking. Viking. Then we have camping. 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 Very good. Then we have it, okay, the picture. Hiking. Hiking. Hiking is like walking and climbing the mountains. That it's called climbing. That is called hiking. Horseback riding. Horseback riding. Okay, that's it. Horseback riding. And then we have kayaking. Kayaking. Okay, this is an activity and it looks pretty fun. I've never done it, but it looks. Rafting. Rafting. Repeat with me. Rafting. It looks pretty fun too. Like rafting in a river. Skiing. Skiing. Remember to pronounce the S like skiing, not skiing. Skiing. This is skiing. And swimming. It's the same, not swimming. Swimming. Very good. Swimming. And then we have campsite. Remember that a campsite is the whole place where you put your tents. Campsite. And then we have helmet. There are different kinds of helmets. Helmet. Insect repellent. Insect repellent. Life jacket. Life jacket. Map. Map. Or a GPS. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Tent. Tent. This is a tent. And then we have warm jacket. Warm jacket. Water bottle. Water bottle. Windbreaker. Windbreaker. And that's it. Now, I think that we can go to the activities in the workbook, and we're going to start using the workbook in this unit. Unit 5 starts in page 44. Today we're going to be doing 3 pages of the workbook, so we need to keep going. Activity 1 in page 44 says, which vacations do you see in the pictures? Write the numbers. So here you have 6 pictures and you need to match them with the real name about the activity that they are doing. So you have them in here, and in the blanks you are going to write the correct number to match with the pictures. That's it. Activity 2 says, look at one, this one. Which vacation would you like the best? Which vacation would you like the least? The vacations, run the vacations and write their numbers in the chart. So for example, this is the least, this is the most likable. So for example, you're going to write these vacations in these places, from the most that you would like to the least that you would like, okay? So you're going to be writing the names of these activities in here in the correct place that you want. That's up to you. So page 45 says activity 3, write the words in the correct rows. A helmet, a life jacket, a map, a warm jacket, a water bottle, a windbreaker, insect repellent, sunglasses, and sunscreen. Then you have here in this box, useful clothing, useful for eyes, useful for skin, useful for safety care. So depending in the category, you are going to write these words here in these places, okay? Now, we can go to activity 4 that says, look at 3, this one. Complete the sentences. So you are going to use the words from this box to write them in these 8 activities, in these 8 sentences. You need to read it and pay attention to it so you can do it better. Okay, so Think Big activity says, I'm going to go biking on a forest path and very sunny day. It's sometimes windy in the afternoons. What should I take to be comfortable and safe? So you're going to write the things that she will need depending on these words. This is the vocabulary. So you can add some other things. Like for example, she is saying that it is windy, but it's sometimes sunny. What things does she need? You are going to write them. They are giving you like the blanks. You need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 7 things to write here, okay? So let's go to the next page, that is page 46. And it says activity 5, listen and read, then answer the questions. And it's called a family's kayaking trip. So we're going to listen to this story, and you need to pay attention pretty careful so you will be able to do the next activities, because we have comprehension activities. Let's listen to this story like pretty careful and let's check.
Workbook, page 46, activity 5. Listen and read, then answer the questions. A family's kayaking trip. Joe felt awful when he woke up. His head hurt, his stomach hurt, his ears hurt. He was sad because his family was going kayaking soon. His mom looked at him and said, "Sorry, Joe, you're too sick to go with us. You're going to stay at home with Grandma." Joe was angry. It wasn't fair. His family said goodbye and left. Joe was staring at the TV when his grandma came in. She said, "Don't worry, Joe. You'll go kayaking another day." Joe stared at the ceiling. He was thinking about his family. They were probably having a wonderful time. He closed his eyes and pictured them. They were in their kayaks on the river, laughing and having fun. There were deer and rabbits on the riverbanks and birds everywhere. He was sleeping when his family returned. He woke up as they came into his room. They looked miserable. His mom said, "We had a terrible time. We all got mosquito bites. I fell and hurt my arm on the way to the river. Your sister fell into the river when she got out of her kayak. Your dad hit his head on a tree branch hanging over the river. You're very lucky that you stayed at home."
Okay, so that was it. Now, we can do the activities that these are more like questions. Question number 1 says, what did Joe's family do? To write your answer depending on this. Number 2, why didn't Joe go with his family? You're going to write, Joe didn't go because Or you can say because he, etc., etc. Number 3, why did Joe imagine his family's day? How did Joe imagine his family's day? Number 4, why was Joe surprised when he saw his family? What happened? And then you have activity 6, answer the questions, explain your answers. Okay, so number 1 says, do you think Joe still wants to go kayaking? You can say yes, I do, no, I don't. Number 2, do you think his family wants to go kayaking again? Yes, they do, no, they don't. Number 3, do you want to go kayaking? Yes, I do, no, I don't. Okay, so that's it. Remember, today we have a reading activity. Remember that the activities about reading consist that you need to read and practice this story that it's called A Family's Kayaking Trip, and you are going to record yourself. You can take your mom's camera or the cell phone, your dad's camera or his cell phone, and you are going to ask them for help if you want to record you reading this text. For example, I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to read this. A family's kayaking trip. Joe felt awful when he woke up. His head hurt, his stomach hurt, his ears hurt. He was sad because his family was going kayaking soon. His mom looked at him and said, "Sorry, Joe, you're too sick to go with us. You're going to stay home with Grandma." Joe was angry. It wasn't fair. And that's it. You are going to keep following, reading this story. Don't forget to send your videos, please. It's super important. These reading activities are going to be as important as the other activities, as important as the exams. Please do them if you want to get better grades. If you don't do them, I'm sorry, but you are going to get bad grades. So remember to send pictures of the activities that we did today. Write your name and also the date in each page. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, don't doubt, and send me a message to me. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice and beautiful Monday. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.